Okay, so now we need, this would be autofilled if this was an actual website. It is not autofilled right now, but normally we would put in some info, there would be some information here, or we can put in some information here, kind of to help the AI in terms of then when we're going to go for the ad generation, because the system will give us a little bit of help. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some information here real quick, and pause and then just carry on from there. All right, so I popped in here a description for test roofing with a few details: family owned, open doors in 1990, 5-star reviews, and the actual services that we'll be targeting in this particular campaign, which is roof insulation and roof replacement. So we can go ahead and generate from there. Now it's going to generate a bunch of keywords for us. As you can see, it said no keywords found in test roofing. Website doesn't exist. And if we scroll down, what we'll see is what it was doing for us. So it essentially created the entire ad. So here we have the actual brand name, Test Roofing. Family owned since 1990, trusted by Houstonians. We're here to help. 100 of 5 minutes, etc. So there's a few of these that we don't want to necessarily keep. This one, for example, isn't real super useful. Serving Houston is fine. It has that location situation right there. Contact us for a quote. Check out our reviews. Weathering storms together. Handshakes you can trust. Roofing built Texas values. That's really good. Roofing done right. Services. Roofing installation. This one probably doesn't really work for us because it doesn't. I mean, headlines are not big enough for any kind of description like that. Roofing that inspires trust. Okay, so as a base, this is okay. We would then have to select some other things. It's still thinking on the keywords. So one thing that we like to have here at Builder Digital is dynamic headlines. Dynamic headlines can be used through keyword insertion, location insertion, countdown. On the automated version, there's more complex options as well that we sometimes use, but these are the simplest ones. So it's pretty easy. Just essentially insert this, and here in the default text, all we need to do is insert what our default text would be if for some reason the keyword is too large, or is over 30 characters. So in this particular case, I want title case, and I want to say professional roofing in Houston. Apply that. Okay, that was a little bit too long. I'm going to take out the N. Apply that. There. Now, worst case scenario, if the keyword is too big, all that's going to appear is professional roofing Houston, which is perfectly fine for what we're trying to communicate. And we would need another. I don't think we have anything regarding our reviews. We have check out our reviews, but we don't have 5-star reviews. There. Now, testing roofing, family owned and operated roofing company serving Houston since 1990. It's pretty good. 105-star. Okay, they isn't really what we're going for. Okay. Okay, again, it's not a they, it's a we. All right. These are pretty good. Normally, I'd be a little bit more into making some modifications, but for the sake of expedience, let's move on.